Now let's talk about grammar. So we are done with the present tense, the past tense. Now let's discuss the future tense. Okay, let me give you a brief lecture about the future tense. Future simple tense. It's easy to know this when you see the word will. Okay, the future will is used to express instant decisions, predictions based on opinions, promises, or offers. Okay? Affirmative or positive, meaning no word not. Okay? You don't use the word not. So what's the form, the structure? Subject plus will plus V infinitive. If it's negative, the subject plus will not or won't. Okay? Plus verb infinitive. If it's a question, you begin with the word will. Will plus the subject plus verb infinitive. Example, I will grab. Okay, subject plus will plus verb infinitive. When we say verb infinitive, the base form of the verb. Okay, I will grab it. Okay, before we leave. It's an instant decision. Another example, negative sentence, negative statement. She won't finish her work before the holiday. It's a prediction. It's only an opinion. Okay? Next, I won't tell anyone. It's a promise. I will not tell anyone. Subject plus will not plus verb infinitive. Again, verb infinitive means a base form of the verb. Okay? I'll help you with those bags. It's an offer. We use the word will. Okay? Next, be going to plus infinitive. Be going to, the be going to structure is used to express plans, intentions, and predictions based on present evidence or intention. Affirmative, the subject plus am or is or are plus going to or gonna. Okay? Plus the verb infinitive or the base form of the verb. Negative statement, subject plus am or is or are plus not, the word not, N-O-T, plus going to or gonna, plus the verb infinitive. If it's a question form, you begin with the linking verbs am, is, are. Okay? Plus the subject, plus going to, plus the verb infinitive or verb in the base form. Remember the pattern. Examples. He is going to do exercise tomorrow morning. Or he is going to exercise tomorrow morning. Okay? It's an intention. He's going to study tonight. Okay? We are going to start a new project next month. It's a plan. We are going to practice for the speaking test tomorrow. It's a plan. Okay? Clear? Is that clear, class? Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. It's a prediction based on evidence. Look at the sunlight. It's not going to rain, right? With evidence, prediction with evidence. Okay? Going to. After I graduate, I'm going to pursue my master's degree abroad. It's a plan. After a few years, I am going to pursue my doctorate because I'm already done with master's. Okay? Abroad. Okay? I'm going to look for a scholarship abroad. Full-time scholarship. Okay?